Okay, hey guys, finally my mics work, because the last time I used it, this is my second time recording, so the last time I used it didn't work, so I had to restart. So today we're gonna play Try and Escape Grandpa. So, he doesn't look like he lost his mind, literally. Doesn't. But I look like I lost my head. Okay, let's see what this guy's saying. Grandpa has lost his mind, let's try and escape. As I tried and did. And the last time when I was just like this, I couldn't jump over it because it was super hard. I can only do one as last. Because this is literally easy. I wish I don't. Ah! Die! Oh my Jesus. Looks like he did. Wait. A giant kitchen, avoid the hot girls. I'm gonna die anyway because literally my head just burnt. And the pot. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh look, the sink is floating like rubber duckies, like it's a bath. Okay, let's go to this head. Why are these 5 knives? Yeah, 5 knives doing in here. I'm a burp soon. I'm so weird at times. This is why I call cheating. Because you're on the edge and it's easier on the edge. Okay, let's go on the plates. The war's not dangerous. That's just weird at times. It's just a game. It's just a game. B-I-N-G. Bingo. Okay. A dead end. Try and click an object to open secret door. If I was him, I'll choose that because that is super secret. This is like grandma's. That's why. Oh, disgusting skeleton bones. Looks like we are near the core of the earth. Better get back before we get burned. That kind of rhymes. You little skeleton. No, I died. Did I press that button even? Oh, good thing, because I have to do it all over. That wouldn't take me for ages, dude. I feel like you can't hear my voice, but you can hear my typing way better. Ugh. I wonder how I got that though. I feel like I can't make the video, so I might make part 2. So it's gonna take me forever to upload. Because they do things. Oh, really? A maze? I hate my life at times. No. Let's go through. I feel something to say. Let's go through here, I think. Did it? And oh, please, can it be? Is it? Yes, finally. I did it. I saw that. I literally saw that. Okay. But I think we will make it through the end of this video, so I might not make part 2. But I would make part 2. Okay, I shouldn't do that because I know you can see it. Why is my boot so ginormous? Why is my head so ginormous? It's the normal head of this board. Hi, Gramp. You're literally killing me to death today. Oh, I hate my life. Oh, look, Roblox. So, I'm gonna tell you, I literally hate my life. I might not make it. So, literally, I want to talk about you guys. So, not about you, but something else. So, I want to say that, I lost my MSP password because I haven't been playing it in a while. I've been playing Roblox for so when I said to my friend, I told her that, oh my god, that was scaring me. I told her that MSP is boring, and then I suddenly got bored of it because I had nothing to do with it. And ever since off of that, I've I've been eaten. Okay, ever since after that, I've been playing Roblox because I had nothing to play with. I mean, play something. So I didn't want to play Fortnite because I'm getting bored of it. I'm getting bored of everything. Really? I have to start again at times? I thought we have to go here. I hate my life at times. I was about to be eaten, but I didn't get eaten. So, I don't want to play Fortnite because I've been playing it for days now. And it kind of got boring to me. And so I played Roblox because it was kind of fun. There was an obbies, a lot of games. Instead of an MSP playing loads of just playing avatar things and stuff like that. I suddenly really liked Roblox when I'm a newbie. I started playing Roblox a lot of days, and then I tried to record, but I didn't like it, so I deleted it. So I'm definitely gonna upload this. So it might take forever. So I hate my life. I keep saying so for whatever. Oh my god, can you count my so's? So I forgot the password because I've been playing a lot of Roblox and stuff like that. And then suddenly I forgot my YouTube channel password. Literally, I forgot about it. Didn't I just think it here? Oh my god. I literally forgot about it. Even my thing password. So, I'm not gonna play Roblox anymore. But I can make a new YouTube channel so I can see your comments. Did I even press that? So, oh my god, I keep saying so. That was my bottle, sorry. My cola bottle. Okay, I'm gonna try to say so. Oh my god. So, oh my god, I hate my life so much. Okay. This is why I forgot about my YouTube password. Well, I can still upload on YouTube because my screencast, I don't know, screen recorder launcher, it has my account on it, and I don't have to log in every time. If I can log in every time, I wouldn't forget. But I was still on it, so I can still record on this channel. But I can't really, no, this is poop, right? I hate my life, this is poop. Oh my god, don't see this. Oh. So, this is why. So, I might make a new channel, as I said. Because if I don't make a new channel, I can't see your comments. And if I can't see your comments, I really don't know what I'm gonna upload and stuff like that. I'm gonna quit. I literally hate my life until this. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I hate my life. Okay, I'm not gonna play anymore. R.I.P. Leave this game. This is my brother's computer. Don't even say it. So, yeah, this is why I've been doing some stuff, and yeah. So, I made a new YouTube channel that I will, on the next video tomorrow, I will upload the video. And when I need video, I will talk about my YouTube channel and what I will be doing in my YouTube channel, which I already probably told ya. I'm gonna play a different game. I'm literally bored of that game. Okay, so I will tell you what I will do and stuff like that. But I'll probably won't be back on MSP in years like that because I'm gonna go to high school. I sound like a cat at times. But, yeah. That's my dad. Shush. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ah! At times I hate my life. This is not my house, okay? Shut up. Okay. So as you see, I'm not VIP. So, yeah, literally, I am so dumb at times. I don't even know. Can we visit his house? Visit houses. So, let's get some cookies, even though I don't have a bite. I'm gonna die. Food. Yeah, I got this from the Santa present or something, Christmas present. It costs like 100 something. And this is for babies. Who are you? Who are you? You're not my child. I didn't adopt you. Leave me alone. I said cookies. Cookies are right there. Oh my god, at times. Oh, let's go to Arby's. But first I need to get my coffee and some coffee. Have you ever tried coffee before? Well, what the fuck? Literally, it's $20. I don't like my life at times. So, I'm really annoyed saying so. I'm so sorry. I literally. Okay, let's play Obby, but I need to drink my coffee. Ew, you stink. I'm so sorry. Let's go to, I'm sorry, you really do stink. Let's go to tiny aisles. I like tiny things. I don't know why, but I really... This way? What do you mean by this way? Where do I go? Literally, where do I go? Where do I go? How? Can I climb? Oh, can I climb trees? I can't see. I hate my life so much. This is freaking... I cannot... How can it be this way? How can I want to give up at times. I don't freaking care. Can I just please? Okay, so I give up. Bye, guys. See ya later. I got sick 'cause I'm young. You never gonna sleep 'cause I'm mine.